ones, using 4 ones, or using
Yes, sir. 2 की power
8
n.
ones. Yes, to the power n format. Okay, and those two should be in adjacent.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then we can left any number of matlab numerous ones in the table. Can we
Yes,
left?
you can. Yes, you can leave. You can leave. But the thing is that suppose you have one option. First you can make a group using 8 ones. Okay.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
but at the same time, you can make the same group using 4 ones double.
Yes,
But
sir.
you have to take the maximum ones always. First take maximum ones. Okay. So if it is available, 8 ones are available. So take 8 ones first. then
Okay, sir.
then go for 4 ones. If 4 ones is available, then take all 4 ones. Then check whether any that means any one is left or not. If it is one, if at least one single one is left, then combine this single one with other ones. Okay, so in this way.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. And
okay,
and,
bolo.
and sir, you told all the ways of the grouping that are unique, or we can make ourselves also group.
Arbitrary. It is not unique. The thing is that yeah, please give holiday tomorrow. I will reduce the marks. Request me. If it is not official holiday, I cannot give holiday. Huh? So I cannot go against our institute. Simple. Abhinav, Abhinav Jha, are you there? Okay. Abhinav.
Yes, sir.
So do not request me unethical thing. If our institute is giving holiday, then I can give holiday. Otherwise, not. Otherwise, the thing is that it is all the online class, na? They will track us. That is the main issue. We cannot leave. That means give holiday. Why do we need holiday? इतना इतना तो घर में ही हो और कितना holiday चाहिए? ठीक है. Oh, someone was asking about groupism. बोलो क्या group क्या करना है?
Sir, we can make ourselves any group, or we have
Yes,
to
you
follow
can group.
unique.
You can no. There is no unique rule. You can make your groupism. You by yourself. You can define your own laws. Doesn't matter. But thumb rule is that group has to be made using 2 to the power n format. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If 8 groups are available, take 8 group first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then take 4 groups. Then take 2 groups. Okay. In this way. Okay.
Okay.
So just wait for 1 minute. So let me start my class. Just wait. Okay. Please 31st. Abhinav, are you there? Abhinav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow, just wait 1 minute. Lots of noise is coming. Abhinav, please unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, all this teacher has given holiday.
Maths and physics class are not there.
No, not there, or the teacher has given holiday.
Given
Sir,
holiday.
math, physics, and English.
They are themselves on vacation.
No, they have gone for vacation. That is different thing, huh? But the thing is, our institute is not giving any holiday. That's why. So I can do one thing. So if you do not attend this class, doesn't matter. So you can download this lecture and you can consult by yourself. I will not take attendance. Don't worry. I can give that thing from my side. Because the thing is that you are in first year, and within 3 months we have to cover 4.5 months syllabus. That is the main issue, because after February or mid of March we'll never get class. That's why. So after 2 years or 3 years, nobody will talk about your COVID-19. They will ask about what have you learned. तो इसीलिए. So I can take one thing. I can do one thing. I will not take any attendance. That I can do. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
don't take it seriously. I have just make a joke. So I will not. I will never reduce any marks. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So let's start today's class. रुको जरा. First of all, I would like to mention one thing. I have uploaded new roll sheets. Okay. So serial number may be changed. Don't worry. Okay. So don't. We'll talk about later. हाँ ठीक है. चलो अभी start करते हैं नया कुछ. Because 2 student has been added, so that's why I have to download it again. Then I have uploaded. Now we have 156 or some students are there. Okay. Now let's start our class. Share the screen. So my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Just wait. Okay. Just wait 1 minute. Now let's try to solve one problem. Then we will learn gray code. Why the gray code is coming? Okay. Abhinav,
So we
Abhinav,
should do that last question only. It was done in a hurry and we were unable to ask it
Okay.
out.
Don't worry. Okay. Abhinav, अभी भी गुस्सा हो क्या? अभी भी गुस्सा हो क्या?
नहीं सर.
ठीक है. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं है. ठीक है, चलो. और लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था भाई, मैं भूल गया.
Hello, sir.
हाँ, what was the last question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, hello.
Sir, it is. Sir, I have a doubt in grouping the numbers.
Yes, the thing is that we have to solve
Sir, it is-
4 5 problem. Then only you can learn. Otherwise, if we solve only 1 or 2 problem, we cannot learn anything. Okay, so we have just started. Today we will try to solve another 2 3 problem. Then your concept may be clear. Okay, so that's why try to attend this class. Then if you face any issue, then I will give the assignment. Then you solve the problem. Then concept will be clear. Groupism is that you have to take the groupism using 2 to the power n number of one element. N means 2 to the power n means you have to make a group using 2, 4, 8, 16 in this way. If 8 elements are available, don't make group using 4 elements. First make 8 element groupism, then search for 4 element groupism. If no elements are available, then go for 2 elements groupism. If still no available, then go for 1 element. Is it clear? Is it clear?
And sir, is it necessary to include the elements which are already grouped?
Yes, you can include. That's why I am telling. Suppose in this one Carnot map, 4 variable Carnot map, you have 9 ones. Okay. Now out of 9 ones, you have. Okay, let me draw this one.
Sir, should I tell the question? Last question.
No, last question करेंगे. Don't worry.
Okay.
अभी क्योंकि it is always better to give the answer in a general sense. If we try to give an answer for a specific question, you will understand the answer with respect to that question only. Suppose I have made for a particular question problem, we have this kind of groupism. W, X, Y, Z. Clear? Now I can make group using this one. So I'm denoting it is as a one group. I can make this group 2 group. I can make this group 3 group. In this way I can make lots of group. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I will
Yes,
not
sir.
do any this kind of procedure. I will search for maximum number of element. So maximum number of elements is available or not? Here 8 number of elements are available to make a particular group. Okay, so I will make this group using this one. So from this I will get some solution. Wx, yz. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So from this group I will get only one solution. What solution? Only Z.
Z.
Okay, only Z. Now here one is left. If I take single one, so here I will get W X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Okay, but you can see I can make this one using this group, then I can write this one as a these two group, this group. So W X bar, then Y bar. So this will be my correct result. We cannot take this one because groupism using two element is available. That's why I cannot take single element groupism. Is it clear?
सर जेड भी आएगा.
Z कहाँ से आएगा भाई? Z
No,
तो
sir, Z
vary कर रहा है ना. In this case Z is varying 0 and 1. Z नहीं आएगा. So final result will be Z plus W X bar Y bar. हाँ. Let's try to solve क्या last question ना 4 variable का.
Sir, is it necessary to write 1 before 10?
कौन सा वाला भाई? और एक बार बोलो.
वो जो टेबल में आपने लिखा था YZ और WX के मतलब वैल्यूज में वहाँ पर 0 था, फिर 0 1 था, फिर 1 1 था, 1 0 था. तो 1 1 और 1 1 पहले रहना चाहिए क्या?
नहीं, I told na, the last class I also told na, we have to use this pattern. This pattern is coming from gray code. I will explain this gray code today. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Why it is coming? Because it is the problem is not solving using binary. The problem is solved here using gray code. I think as per our last problem, YZ 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In the last problem, okay, I believe we had this kind of element. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
exactly. Now you observe, I can make one group using this 8 element. Okay, because 8 element are available. From this 8 element, what can I write? I can write Y bar. Agree? Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt? बोलो भाई, कुछ
No,
तो
sir.
बोलो.
No,
हाँ,
sir.
ठीक है. Now,
No, sir.
three ones are left. This. How can I make the group? I can make these two to make a single group. But is it possible to make using 4 group? Let's check. Is it possible or not? Now, if I take this one, and this one, so it is possible. So I will not do groupism using 2 1. I will make a group using 4 1. And from this, I can write W bar, then Z bar. Okay, is it clear? I will not choose 2
Yes, sir.
element. I will choose 4 element because 4
We will
elements are
always
available.
try to choose maximum
Yes,
number of
that
elements.
is I'm telling na. That is I'm telling.
Okay, sir.
First go for
Okay,
8, then go for 4, then go for 2. If 2 are not available, then go for 1. Now choose this one. If I can make group using this and this, but you can see 4 elements are also available. 4 element. So here I'm making bigger one so that you can understand. 4 element. So 4 element are also available. So I will choose to make a group using maximum number of elements. So from this I can write X, then this one, then Z prime. Is it okay? So my final result will be F equal to Y prime plus W prime, Z prime plus X prime, Z prime. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let's try to solve one simple problem. Let's go for 3 variable problem. Zero 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 one one zero one one. Suppose we have, for a particular problem, we have this number of 1. The problem is given by F equal to xyz equal to summation over 1 2 4 7. So I can make this one. Okay, now try to make group. Is there any groupism possible? Yes or no? Try to find.
No, sir.
Yes
No,
or no?
sir.
No,
No, sir.
No, it is not possible.
No, sir.
Individually I have to take this one x bar, y, z bar. Individual element has to be taken because here groupism is not possible. That's why x, y bar, z bar, x bar, y bar, z. So my final result will be simple: x bar, y, z bar, x, y, z, x, y bar, z bar plus x bar, y bar, z. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear na?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if
Yes,
the
sir.
groupism is possible, take the groupism using maximum element, then reduce the number of element to find the groupism. Okay, if and keep going. So reduce matlab maximum element leke you have to make groupism always. This is the thumb rule. Okay, now let's try to solve one problem. So instead of writing f always, I am directly writing the solution over here. Zero 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 one 1011 00011011. Okay, so here we have the number. जिसका हुआ है वो बोलो क्या रिजल्ट है, आंसर क्या है बोलो. First two students will be considered. I am taking the roll sheet. First two student अपना roll number identify करो, then give the result. First two student. Oh, have we started our recording?
Yes, sir.
Let me check. Yes. We have started our recording. Okay. बोलो first two students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कौन है?
Deep.
Sir,
Don't say the result. Just tell me your roll number first. First last 4 digit. मतलब A meet something वो बोलो.
पहले आंसर नहीं बताना.
हाँ बोलो ना first two student बोलो.
Yes, sir.
sir,
Answer
0759.
120 CR 0391.
120 CR जिसका सुन पाऊंगा उसका ही दूंगा.
120 CS.
120 CR 0391. Okay. 91
120
Sir,
120 CS.
120 EI. 120 EI.
120 CS
120
then
CS
120
0127 0127
So CS 02
Sir, 120 EI 0727.
और कुछ नहीं
Sir,
होगा, और कुछ नहीं
sir,
होगा.
one
You have to
to-
say loudly. You have to say loudly in the beginning. बहुत कुछ आएगा तो जिसका I cannot give other marks. I am telling several times. First two students will be given. Okay, and you have to say your answer first. Okay, that means अगर if I am unable to that means hear your voice, how can I give you marks? तो इसीलिए you have to say loudly and proudly always. Okay, रुको जरा. Today इतना डेट है. फर्स्ट टू स्टूडेंट इतना नहीं दे सकता मैं. 31st है 12.
सर वो लोग का आंसर गलत होगा तो
गलत हुआ तो did I ask about the correct answer? I never go for correct answer. I always go for those who are trying. Those who are trying. Trying is the main thing. करेक्ट आंसर मतलब कॉपी करके भी आ सकता है. करेक्ट आंसर के लिए पीछे मत भागो, ट्राई करो. गलत आया करेक्ट आया ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा. सो टू स्टूडेंट गॉट अभिषेक दास एंड यश गुर्जर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. नाउ अभिषेक दास अपना आंसर बोलो. अभिषेक दास अपना आंसर बोलो.
Yes, sir. Answer is B, D. plus B prime D prime plus B prime C plus AB prime.
ऐसा ऐसा मैं लिख रहा हूँ ना, B prime B D.
The answer is
अरे भाई you can see the
B
screen ना,
prime C prime
plus
plus B prime C plus B prime C
plus B prime C
plus AB prime. AB prime.
B prime. Okay, so fourth term, correct? Fourth term, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, it's okay. So it is given by Abhishek. Roll number C91. Okay, और कोई था? CS 127 बोलो.
Yes,
it is
sir.
F1. F2
Sir.
बोलो, answer
Sir,
बोलो.
sir DB plus
DB plus
A B D और B और D पे बार है सर. A B bar D bar
A B bar D bar, ठीक है?
plus A bar B bar D bar.
A bar B bar D bar. Okay. और कुछ?
Yes, sir.
three term,
Three
correct?
terms. Yes.
So I will say something.
Okay.
The second option.
Okay.
Second correct.
Second option is correct.
Second is
Second
correct.
one is correct.
Let me check now. I do not know the answer.
Sir,
I
BD
do
plus B bar.
Sir,
Okay, someone was telling
Sir, the
BD.
second one
BD plus
I
B
am
bar.
not talking about first one, second one. Is there any other solution? Yes or no?
yes sir.
हाँ बोलो.
BD plus B bar.
BB plus
B plus
B
B bar
bar
A.
A
plus
B bar.
B bar A plus A bar B.
B bar. BD plus B bar.
B bar
Sir BD plus A bar B plus B bar A.
BD plus B bar.
It is not a market. You have to say one by one.
Sir, BD plus B bar.
BD plus
Sir BD
BD. Then
plus B bar D bar.
Plus B bar.
okay. Oh, what is happening with you, bhai? At least one student should say, na. Those who are saying. It's very difficult. BD then
BD plus B bar, sir. B bar.
plus B bar.
B bar.
B bar. Then
D bar plus D bar. D bar D bar.
Wait 1 minute. Let me mute everybody. Background noise is coming. Okay. Any one student, please. One student.
Sir shall I?
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
BD plus
A bar B plus DB plus B bar A. So it is
plus,
B
then?
plus B bar A.
Oh, forget it. You cannot understand. I am telling. Say one by one.
Sir,
I am
may I
facing difficulty.
I are you?
Sir, excuse me.
दो करके बोल रहे हो भाई. बार. It is very difficult. हाँ बोलो एक एक करके बोलो. एक जो बोल रहे हो वो बोलो. हाँ.
Okay, sir. Okay.
हाँ एक बोलो.
Sir
BD
plus B bar D bar
BD plus B bar
plus B bar D bar.
ठीक है. तुम्हारा रोल नंबर कितना है बोलो.
Sir 420 MA 5063.
420.
Sir मेरा भी वही है. MA 5063.
मेरा
5063. ठीक है. और किसी का और कोई रिजल्ट आया?
वही है.
और किसी का कुछ रिजल्ट आया?
Sir मेरा 1 आ रहा है.
sir, one
मेरा भी वही है.
Someone got 1. A4 equal to 1. Okay. और किसी का कुछ रिजल्ट आया?
Sir, second and third are same. Second and third are
Oh
same.
God. The question is, some student got F1 result, some student got F2 result, some student got F3 result.
Sir I
some
got.
student
Sir
F4
I got.
result.
I'm saying I'm getting another answer.
Yes. Please tell me. So F5.
A bar B
A bar B
plus BD
plus BD
plus B bar A.
plus B bar A. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Any other answer? F6.
sir.
Any other answer? F6.
Yes, sir. I have one.
बोलो.
BD plus ABD
BD plus ABD
plus A bar D B bar D bar
A bar
B bar D bar
D bar
plus B bar C bar D bar
B bar C bar D bar
plus B bar C D bar.
plus B bar C D bar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other answer? F7. One problem, 6 answer. Okay. Now बोलो.
Same as F2.
अरे भाई, all are wrong. Only this is correct, I believe, most probably.
Sir, F2
Yes,
is
sir.
correct,
F3 and
I
F2 are
think.
same.
सर मेरा भी वही आया था, मैं भी आपको बोल रहा था।
F3 and F2 are
Yes, sir.
same.
F2,
Option
F3
was
and
given only
आपने
for
सही
first
कोई
two
बोलने
students.
को बोला।
I didn't
आया बोलते
say I will give the marks for correct student. I told I will give the marks for first two students. I never told I will give the all the correct students. Okay, you have to follow the instructions. I never go for correct one. Let's try to solve the problem. Here 8 elements are there. So I can make this group. This one from this, what is the solution? From this, what can I write? I can write B, then B. Agree? Yes or no? अरे भाई कितना बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है, इतना कितना बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है भाई, म्यूट करो. हाँ, इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? BD clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
I have now I have left 4 ones. Okay, 4 ones. Now I told those row and those row are interconnected, and those column are interconnected. So I can make one group, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So from this group I can write
B
from
bar.
this one, just थोड़ा देखने तो मुझे, हाँ, B bar, then D bar.
D bar.
So my final result will
Yes,
be
I
this.
got this one.
Okay?
Yes, I got this one.
No, it's okay. You got it. Is
Hello,
good.
sir.
Okay. हाँ बोलो.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Hello, sir. Can I ask a question?
बोलो.
Sir, there are four possible ways that the function can be expressed.
You can use infinite number of possible ways. We use the Karnaugh map to simplify a particular solution. Now the thing is that, suppose consider the first solution. If it is possible to simplify further, we will never consider this one. Karnaugh map will give the final closed form simplified solution. After that, simplification is not possible. Okay, so that is the main thing. So first of all, you have to identify maximum number of one for make a group. Okay, so here 8 elements are available, but 8 elements are not adjacent. But we can see this center 4 elements are adjacent, so we can make one group. Then from this center element we got one result, BD. Then 4 corner 4 ones are interrelated. How they are interrelated I told. Now we will learn Gray code, then the concept will be clear. So then these 4 1 are connected, that means are used to make another group using 4 elements, and from this we got B bar, D bar. So this is my final result. Okay, so rest of all those results are wrong. Those are wrong. So they will get simple 0 in the exam. Those who gave the correct answer F3, they will get
Sir,
mark. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Bolo.
Sir, F2 and F3 are equal, then F2 will be wrong or not, sir?
F2 and
F3 are same.
If F2 and F3 are same, but you observe F2 contain 3 elements, okay, and F3 contain 2 elements, so we cannot consider F2, because further simplification is possible if we use F2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because Karnaugh map will give you the final closed form solution. Yes.
No, sir.
Yes.
But
Bolo.
sir, but we can write A B bar D bar plus A bar B bar D bar.
What you can write doesn't matter. You can write infinite solution. Lots of students got lots of solution. I am telling the correct one, and you have to understand why I am telling. Okay, you can express the one expression in several ways. Out of several ways, only one solution should be correct. This solution is correct. This solution, this simplified version.
Hello, sir.
Bolo.
Hello, sir. Sir, if in the exam we will start the answer from F2 and simplify it to F3, can it
We will
be
never give marks.
correct or wrong?
We will not give marks, because we told you to use the Karnaugh map. Question will be clear, na? If the question says simplify this expression, nothing is given, then you can use Karnaugh map, and normal mathematical simplifications will give marks. But if the question is telling simplify this expression using Karnaugh map, we will not consider mathematical simplification. Clear? You have to read the question, then you have to give the answer correspondingly. Okay. The thing is that we are here to learn all the topic. We are not here to obtain the final result using single process. We should learn all process, so that we can apply all this process in different applications. That is our objective over here. Let's go to next. Before going to the next one, okay, और time है क्या? हाँ, time है, बहुत time है. So let's try to solve one problem. There will be no mark क्योंकि बहुत आवाज हो रहा है बहुत. I will give only first 2 student, but those 2 student has to have the correct answer. Otherwise, I will not give marks. Okay. First 2 students will be identified and their answer should be correct. If their answer is correct, then I will give marks. Is the that means clause is understandable? All the students got the clause?
Yes, sir.
00011011 00011011. So I am writing. कौन सा वाला दे इसको दे देता हूँ. This first 2 student only. Okay, first 2 student and जिसका रोल नंबर मैं सुन पाऊंगा. Okay, this is the question.
Sir.
हाँ, रोल नंबर बोलो.
Yes, sir. I have got, sir.
1 2
Yes, sir, I got it.
EI 0711.
So 120,
0711 EI
120 mm,
EI
120 mm.
Sir, ME 0295. Sir, ME 0295.
120C.
ME 0295.
Yes, sir.
C
So 120 mm,
नहीं
0767.
120 mm पहले बोला था. 120 mm पहले बोला था, वो नहीं होगा. 120 mm बोलो, उसके बाद बोलो, रुको. 120 mm then
0767. 0767.
रुको जरा.
120 VM
और नहीं होगा, और नहीं होगा. 12. ठीक है, किसने आंसर दिया बोलो. EI 711 आंसर बोलो. EI 711.
Sir, A bar B plus B C bar
plus B C bar
plus CD A bar.
CD A bar. Very good. और कोई एक था.
Sir,
120
sir,
mm.
I have got the same answer. 120 mm, sir.
120 mm 0767. तुम आंसर बोलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. मेरा भी वही है. A bar B.
सेम है. ठीक है, सेम है. Okay. Now let's try to solve. If the answer is correct, then we will give marks. Otherwise not.
Sir, I want to say also.
मुझे पता नहीं. Let's solve. Okay. Now how many elements? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 number of elements. So I have to make group using 4 element. So I can easily make group using 4 element. From this I can write B then C bar. Yes or no? From this group.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
I can make another group from this. Then I can write ये वाला होगा सिर्फ A bar B. Yes or no? Yes or no? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Then one is
Yes,
left.
sir.
So I can make one group using this one. So from this group I can write only this. So A bar then CD. Let's check. A bar B is there, B C bar is there, CD A bar. Good. You got good mark. You got marks. Okay. Other student got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Don't work for marks. Try to understand and try to find the correct result. Okay. Now we will learn gray code. Just wait 1 minute. Why should I use the gray code? That is the question. Okay. Here. Okay. Now I am writing something. B2, B1, B stand for binary. Let me check. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. and G2, G1, G0. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Now suppose I have B2, I have B1, I have B0. Okay. So if I want to convert binary to gray code, okay, then B2 will be G2. It is MSB, most significant bit. It is LSB. Okay. So it is MSB. MSB. Okay. Now to obtain G1, what you have to do, you have to take B2 and you have to take B1, and if you have to find the difference, you have to find if the difference is there 1, otherwise 0. If difference then 1, otherwise 0. Okay, I will explain. Then to obtain G0, you have to take this bit and compare with B0. If the difference is, if there is difference, then 1, otherwise 0. If this understandable, is there any doubt? I will explain how it is coming. Okay.
Sir, again, how to get G0, G0, sir? Again.
I will tell, na. I will tell. Just wait 1 minute. I am telling, if I have the B2, B1 and B0, then B2 to G2 directly we can obtain. Okay. Now to obtain G1, I will take B2 and I will take B1. If then I will compare the bit. If both bit are same, then G1 will be 0, otherwise 1. Okay. Then to obtain G0, I will take B1 bit and B2 bit, then I will take the difference. If there is a difference, then 1, otherwise 0. Let's try to solve. Suppose I want to find, this is my input, second row. Okay. Is it clear? Second row. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
second row. So
Yes,
B2
sir.
to G2 directly. G2 is 0, correct? Yes or no? G2 will be 0. Yes or no? As per our convention.
Yes.
Okay. Now you take, to obtain G1, take B2 and B1. Both are 0. So if the difference, then 1, otherwise 0. So both are 0. That means same bit. So answer will be 0. Because both are same bit, na? G1
Yes,
is
sir.
clear or not? G1 is clear or not? Is there anyone who is unable to find the G1? Is there anyone who is unable to find the G1?
Please explain again.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ ना. Now from B2 to G2 it is straightforward from our notation. That means B2 to G2. Okay. Now to obtain G1, I have to compare the bit B2 and B1. If both bit are same, then answer should be 0. That means G1 should be 0. Otherwise G1 will be 1. Now here B2 and B1 both are 0. Both are 0. That's why G1 equal to 0. Now find G0. To find the G0, I have to take B1 and B0. Now B1 is 0, B0 is 1. This row. B0 is 1, B1 is 0. So different bit. So answer will be this one. G0 will be 1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir. How to find G2?
G2 तो directly हो गया ना, directly बोल रहा हूँ ना. B2 that will be G2 same.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone who is facing issue? Is there anyone? Anyone?
Sir, 1 second, sir. G1, 1 second, sir.
Okay. What is your roll number?
Sir, 120 EI 0711.
Okay. You have to give the answer. Nobody should speak. You only give the answer. Focus on
Yes,
this
sir.
row. Focus on this row
Yes,
only.
sir.
B2
Yes, sir.
and G2 same. Correct? B2 and G2 same. So 1 will be 1. Up to
Yes.
G1, G2 is correct. G2 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Now to compute G1, you take B2 and B1, both are same or different? Both are same or different? Both bit?
Different, sir.
If as
Different
different,
bit.
that's why 1. If both bit will be same, then answer will be 0.
Yes.
Okay, XOR gate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now G1 is clear. G1 is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you only answer. Now let's compute the G0. G0. Whenever you are computing G0, take B1 and B0. Take B1 and B0. Both bit are same or different?
Different bit, sir. So
As
that's why
different
1.
bit, G0 will be 1.
1.
Bas.
Yes, sir.
That is the easy. That is the solution.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, is there anyone who is unable to find? Anyone student? No one? Is there anyone?
No,
Why
sir.
nahi hai? Okay.
No, sir.
So in this way we can easily compute. So I am computing all those table. Okay.
One
Oh.
101, sir. 100.
Okay, so I have computed this table. Okay, now you see how they are changing. What is the orientation? You focus over here. Binary is 00011011, but gray code is 00011110. Okay, so that's why we are using this sequence in the K map. Okay, and more precisely, from first row to second column, you check only one change in bit. Same from second row to third row, only one change. One bit has been changed. From the third row to fourth row, only one bit has been changed. Only one bit has been changed. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Bolo.
Please,
What is the
sir,
query?
again,
No, sir.
again, please, sir, tell this thing.
अभी थोड़ी
Last
देर
thing.
पहले क्या कर रहे थे भाई? अभी मैं बोला इज देयर एनी डाउट? कौन सा वाला बोलूं? और एक बार बोलो, कौन सा वाला बोलूं?
Here, one change in bit, one change.
Oh, that part only. Okay, it's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. Okay. Now you check the first binary bit. It is 00, 01, 10, 11. In the gray code, if we focus on those two parts, it is getting 00, 01, 10, 11. Sorry, 1110. Okay, so that is the change in gray code. Now in gray code, 00 and 01, in these two bit, 0001, from 0 to 0 but 0 to 1, only one bit has been changed, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now then it is 1 1. Let's write 1 1 from this position to this position. Here 1, no change. Here 0, only one bit change.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Only one.
now here it is 1 0. Here it is 1 0. Now here 1 1, but here 1 it is 0. So only one bit change. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that now you got it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Very good. Now suppose I want to convert gray code to binary code. G2, G1, G0. Binary B2, B1, B0. If G2 is same, G2 will give you B2. To compute B1, you have to take the difference between G2 and G1. If the difference, then 1, otherwise 0. Same rule. Okay. Suppose let's take example 110. It is in gray code. I want to convert into binary. So this one will be B1, B2. G2 will be B2. Yes or no?
0, sir.
101, sir.
Yes, sir.
101.
G2 B2.
G2 will be
101,
B2.
sir.
Oh, I am not asking the correct
Yes, sir.
answer. I am telling this, try to understand. G2 will be B2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
1
sir.
and 1. Then you compare, to obtain the B1, you have to compare this to 1, G2 and G1. So both are same, so answer 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
now,
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now then it is now when obtaining B naught, when obtaining, oh I made one mistake. ये वाला थोड़ा गलत हुआ. यहाँ से जाएगा. यहाँ से जाएगा. Now when we are comparing B naught, then I have to take B1 and G naught. B1 and G naught. B1 is given, G naught is given, same bit. Both are same bit. So answer will be 0 or 1. Huh?
1.
0. 1, sir. 1.
Same bit.
0.
Okay. 0. So let's try to convert 1 from 2. Okay. Suppose let
Sir.
Bolo.
Sir, in previous slide, that gray
bolo.
code to
binary. Gray code to binary. Okay, बोलो ना. इशू क्या है बोलो.
Yes, sir. In previous slide, sir.
अरे तुम बोलो ना इशू क्या है. मैं तो वही ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. तुम बोलते रहो ना इशू क्या है.
Sir, I got answer 101, sir. But
then you focus. हाँ, ये थोड़ा अलग है.
Yes, sir. It will be 101.
Sir, you have written double B2 instead of B0. Right.
Oh, sorry. It should be B0. Okay. Now, suppose I have 1, 1, 0. So it is G2, it is G1, it is G0. I want to convert into B2, B1, B0. Now, G2 and B2, same? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1. It will be 1 directly.
Yes, sir. 1.
While taking B1, while computing B1, you have to make a comparison between B2 and G1. B2 is 1, G1 is 1. Both are 1. So it will be 0.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
When you are comparing B0, then you have to take, follow this sign, you have to take B1 and G0. So here B1 is 0, G0 is 0, both same bit. That's why 0. Now is it clear?
Yes,
clear?
Yes.
Yes,
अभी कोई डाउट है? Let's take another example. Let's take 1, 1, 1, triple 1. B2 will be G2, 1. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now to compute B1, I have to take B1, I have to take B2 and G1. B2 is 1, G1 is 1. So answer should be kitna? Should be 0.
0, sir.
0.
So answer should be
0.
Okay. To compute B0, I have to take B1 and G0. B1 is
And
given
G0.
0 and G0 is 1. So 0, 1, so 1. Is it clear? So from the table you can
Yes,
verify
sir.
also. From the reverse you can do also. Okay. Now you check if in the XOR gate, if different bit is found, then answer becomes 1. If same bit is found, then answer becomes 0. This XOR bit is applied here. That means operation of XOR. Okay, that is the beauty. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the gray code is used. The gray code is used to check the error. Okay, it is also called the error correcting code. And you can see in the previous table. You take any one column. Suppose this any two row. Between any two row, only one bit is changed. You focus over here. you check this row and this row, only one bit is changed. Correct? Correct?
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suppose you take this two row, and you check only one bit is row. Only one bit has been changed over here. Any two arbitrary, you take arbitrary any two row, arbitrary any two successive row. Here only one bit is changed in every time. You take arbitrarily this two row. Here only one bit has been changed. Okay, so that is the beauty of learning gray code. In gray code, out of successive two rows, only one bit normally changed, which is not found in binary code. Is it clear? In binary code,
Yes, sir.
if you consider this two row, this bit has also been changed, this bit has also been changed. So two bit has been changed. So binary bit doesn't, that means binary code doesn't show this kind of correction. So as it is found only out of two successive two rows, only one bit has been changed. So that's why based on this sequence, we can easily correct the error. Okay. So now from this lecture we learn 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 sequence. Okay, as we are using the gray code, that's why to solve the in the kernel map, that's why we are using that sequence 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Is it clear right now? Is it clear?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Bolo, what is your doubt?
Sir, you said about we can check the errors. Sir, how it is?
ये वाला एग्जांपल तो नहीं दे सकता कि बिकॉज वी हैव टू डिजाइन द सर्किट फर्स्ट. ठीक है, वो बाद में आएगा. हाँ, क्योंकि एरर करेक्टिंग कोड मतलब वो बाद में हम लोग करेंगे. अगर सिलेबस में अगर इफ इट इज अवेलेबल देन वी विल लर्न. ओके, हाँ, तो उसका सर्किट ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, ऐसे नहीं होगा.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
ओके ओके.
सर बीट चेंज वाला फंडा और एक बार बोल दीजिए.
हाँ श्योर. तुम ग्रे कोड का जो टेबल है, सिर्फ फोकस ऑन दिस टेबल. ठीक है, इस टेबल पे मत फोकस करना. ठीक है, हाँ, तो ये वाला एनी टू रो लो. मैं फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड रो ले रहा हूं. ठीक है, दिस रो, फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड रो. इन दो रो में सिर्फ देखो ये बिट चेंज हो रहा है. ये सर बाकी दो बिट सेम है. फिर सेकंड और थर्ड रो में देखो सिर्फ ये बिट चेंज हो रहा है, बाकी दो रो सेम है. फिर थर्ड और फोर्थ में देखो, थर्ड और फोर्थ में ये रो चेंज हो रहा है, सिर्फ ये रो. ठीक है, ठीक इसी तरह से कोई भी दो रो ले लो सक्सेसिव. हाँ, सपोज दिस रो एंड दिस रो, यहाँ पे चेंज है, बाकी दिस एंड दिस आर सेम. हाँ, सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी. अभी क्लियर है ना?
यस सर.
हाँ, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व अनदर प्रॉब्लम. कितना टाइम है? अभी भी 10 मिनट है. Beauty, huh? We will solve the same problem using two different phenomena. There will be no extra marks in this question, huh? बहुत टाइम चला जाता है. A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For a particular problem, suppose this is the solution. Okay, for a particular problem. Okay, now I am mapping. I can make a quad pair using this one. Yes or no? कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
B, very good. B bar, then D bar. Very good, very good. B bar, D bar. Then I can make a pair using this 2 1 and this 2 1 4 1. So from this I can write this that means B bar, C bar. Yes or no? कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और कितना
Yes.
वन बाकी है? और कितना वन बाकी है?
Single.
One.
Only single one. Huh? So to take this one, because this one is remaining, so I will take this one 2. Then from this I can write a bar, रुको, a bar, c bar, d. So my final answer if a b c d will be nothing but a bar c bar d plus b bar d bar plus b bar c bar. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's try to solve the same problem in different way. ठीक है? You try to understand, huh? Same thing. A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now, somebody told na, sir, can we solve the same problem using 0? Somebody told na, बोले थे ना बहुत पहले.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
here the remaining, here the blank portions, we have 1 over here, rest of the portions are 0. Agree? Because we do not, because only we can take either 0 or 1. So in these boxes, that means we do not have any data, means 0. So I am making the boxes using 0. Can I solve the same problem using 0? So that is my objective over here. Up to this, oh sorry, I here second वो वाला नहीं होगा. Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? You folk check.
Yes,
I have marked only 0 only.
Yes, sir.
And I want to find the solution using 0. So my solution should be in complement form. My solution should be in complement form. Yes or no? Because I am solving the problem using 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
now make group. From this group, I can write CD. Yes or no? कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From this and from this, I can write B D bar. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, na? And only 1 0 is left. So from this, I can write
AB.
AB.
Very good. AB. So F bar is nothing but AB plus CD plus BD bar. So F is nothing but whole bar. So I will get AB bar, then at end होगा, then CD bar, then B whole bar. So then I can write A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, B bar plus D. So same solution. So that means you can write this solution or this solution. Okay.
Yes.
Now you observed this solution is called sum of product. SOP. It is product of sum. Clear? So the same problem can be solved either 1 or 0. So same problem can be solved either. Harit bhai, Xerox घर में लेना. You can mute your mic. The same problem can be solved either using 1 or 0. So if you are using 1, I will get the solution in terms of sum of product form. If you are using 0 to solve the problem, you will get the solution in product of sum. I will prefer, it is always better to solve using sum of product form because those are widely used. That's why. Okay.
Sir.
So yes.
Sir, here the POS, product of sum, can be simplified to the SOP,
Yes,
sum of
yes,
product.
you can simplify, doesn't matter. Why should I
Sir,
waste our time? The thing
sir,
is that
then our final answer should be our final correct answer should be the SOP, sir.
yes,
Not
sure.
POS.
Oh, because you have to understand, I can express the same mathematical formula, okay, in different way. Now let me give you an
Okay,
example.
sir.
4 can be written 3 plus 1, can also be written 2 plus 1. So which one is correct? Both are correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am telling, if you are solving the problem using 0, then you have to give the result in this form. If you are solving the problem using 1, then you have to give the result in this form. You are
Okay,
using
sir.
0, but final result is given in this form. Then that means you are using simplification using pen and paper. That is not accepted in K-map simplification. Okay.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear right now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, it's okay, doesn't matter. Okay, let's stop. I think we
Yes,
do
sir.
not have time. We do not have time. So let's stop today.
Yes.
We'll meet tomorrow, because tomorrow is not holiday. Our institute didn't give holiday. So that's why I cannot give holiday.
The attendance